How to use baking soda to kill pests, cockroaches, bedbugs, ants, mice, etc. When it comes to pest control, you may be surprised to learn that a common household item, baking soda, can be a powerful weapon against unwanted critters. This versatile product is not only effective but also safe and non-toxic, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer a natural approach. In this guide, we will explore how to use baking soda effectively to combat various pests, including cockroaches, bedbugs, ants, mice, and more. Buckle up as we uncover the secrets of this kitchen staple. Understanding baking soda as a pest control method. To use baking soda as an effective pest control method, you need to know how to apply it. After all, baking soda won't repel pests if it's just sitting in your cupboard. Different forms of baking soda, such as pastes, homemade sprays, and powders, each have specific uses for various pests. You can apply baking soda in the garden, in your home, or anywhere pests are found. The trick is knowing when and where to use it, and for which pests. 1. Cockroaches. The silent invaders. Baking soda can kill cockroaches, but first, you must convince them to eat it. Cockroaches aren't naturally attracted to the taste or smell of baking soda, so you may need to mix it with sugar to make the bait more appealing. Here's how to do it. Prepare the mixture. Combine equal parts baking soda and sugar in a small dish. Set the trap. Place the bait in areas where you have seen cockroach activity, such as under sinks, behind appliances, or in cabinets. Watch them go. Once cockroaches ingest the baking soda, it reacts with water in their bodies, causing the soda to expand and ultimately crushing them from the inside due to their exoskeleton. Important note: baking soda only works when cockroaches eat it in powder form. Combining it with vinegar or water renders it ineffective. 2. Centipedes. The creepy crawlers. Baking soda alone won't get rid of centipedes in your home, but if centipedes are coming up through your drains, a baking soda and vinegar rinse can help. This mixture creates carbon dioxide, CO2, which drowns centipedes. Follow these steps for effective treatment. Pour baking soda. Slowly pour 1 cup of baking soda down the drain to coat the inside. Add vinegar. Next, pour in 2 cups of vinegar to create a bubbling reaction. Repeat as necessary. You may need to repeat this process multiple times to effectively address a centipede problem. 3. Snails and slugs. Garden pests. Baking soda can be sprinkled in your garden to kill snails and slugs, but it's important to use enough to kill them quickly. Here's how to use baking soda effectively. Sprinkle generously. Lightly sprinkle baking soda around areas frequented by slugs and snails, such as near compost piles or tomato plants. Create a barrier. This will not only kill any snails or slugs that come into contact with it, but also deter future invasions. 4. Ants. The tiny invaders. Ants can be killed by baking soda as well. Similar to cockroaches, you must mix the baking soda with sugar to attract the ants. Here's a simple strategy. Make the bait. Combine equal parts baking soda and sugar in a small bowl. Surround the nest. To effectively combat an ant infestation, surround their nest with the baking soda and sugar mixture. Worker ants will carry the bait back to the colony, leading to the demise of the entire infestation. 5. Mice and rats. Unwanted rodents. Baking soda can also kill mice and rats, as they can't expel gas buildup in their systems. Here's how to prepare the bait. Mix the ingredients. Combine equal parts baking soda, sugar, and flour. Adjust the measurements based on how much you need. Form into balls. Add a little warm water to the mixture until it holds together and form it into small balls. Place the bait. Leave the baking soda balls in areas frequented by rodents. Once ingested, the gas buildup caused by the baking soda will eventually be fatal. 6. Fleas. The persistent pests. To kill fleas, Use a mixture of baking soda and salt. This combination dehydrates the fleas and their eggs, making it a potent solution. Sprinkle the mixture. Mix equal parts salt and baking soda, and sprinkle it liberally on carpets and soft furnishings. Work it in. Use a brush or broom to thoroughly work the mixture into the fabric. Vacuum. Leave the mixture overnight and vacuum it up in the morning. Be sure to vacuum all the nooks and crannies and empty the filter outside to prevent any surviving fleas from re-entering. 7. Bed bugs. The sleep disruptors. Baking soda can also kill bed bugs by dehydrating them. Here's how to use it effectively. Make a paste. Mix baking soda with water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste. Spread this paste over areas where bed bugs are likely to hide, such as bed frames and mattresses. Reapply regularly. As the bugs come into contact with the paste, they'll eventually die. You'll need to reapply the mixture periodically and vacuum up the old paste. Other uses: fungicide and more. Baking soda is not just an insecticide, it also acts as a fungicide. It helps treat plant diseases like powdery mildew, prevent fungal issues. Sprinkle baking soda around the base of your plants or mix it with water in a spray bottle. Protect your plants. Spray the baking soda mixture over plant leaves to protect against pests and fungi. Caution: while baking soda can combat fungal infections, be careful not to overuse it, as it can inhibit plant growth by altering soil pH. Conclusion: baking soda as a versatile pest control solution. Baking soda is a powerful and versatile tool for pest control in your home and garden. Whether you're dealing with cockroaches, bed bugs, ants, mice, or other pests, this simple kitchen ingredient can help you reclaim your space without the use of harsh chemicals. If you find that your baking soda mixtures aren't working, ensure that your baking soda is fresh, as old or expired soda may not be effective. Always pay attention to the specific methods for each pest to ensure success. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you feel empowered to use baking soda in your pest control efforts. Remember, for larger infestations, you may need to resort to stronger pest control methods, but baking soda is an excellent starting point. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.